In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down a tiny bit to access Notification Center. Then you need to click on this Sort by Time section at the top left corner of this one with all of your apps. And this way sort them by one of the available options, like frequency. When you're ready, tap on green sweaters next to your apps to block all notifications from them, or grey ones to switch them back on. You can also hit any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!